Hi there, I am Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In today's video, we'll write a program to work on files in Python. We will create a file and write some data inside it. Python provides inbuilt function for creating, writing and reading files, so there is no need of importing external libraries. There are many ways to achieve this, but we'll stick with some basic. So let's move to Python. First step is to create a file. To create a new file in Python, we will use Python open method. So let's write it, file and open. The open method accepts many arguments, but majority of time you will only use two. First is file name, or you can specify path also, and second will be mode. Here you can specify the full path of the file, or if the file is present in same directory, you can just write file name. And second option is mode. Python provides multiple modes. We can use as per our requirement, and we can also combine few of the modes. R is for reading, which is default, W for writing, truncating, A for appending, B for binary mode, and many more. In our case, the file has been not created yet, so we'll use W mode. So let's specify the file name, myfile.txt, and we can specify W mode. We will use write function to enter data into file. So file.write. Here you can specify some sentence. Data inside file. When you open a file, it is always recommended to close that file. So we can use close method, file.close, and let's save it. So first step is using open method. We can specify file name with mode. Second is write function. We can specify what data we need to write. And last step will be the closing the file object. So let's save this and run this program. As you can see, myfile.txt file has been created and some data is also there. Data inside file. Using this method, we have to specifically close that file. To let Python close file instance automatically, we can use with method. So same code we can write as with open. We can specify same syntax as file object, and we can write that data. Using with method, we don't have to write close method here. So Python will automatically close the file instance. There is one more thing to be considered here. Always make sure that both file name and the file path should be correct while reading or appending to a file. If either is incorrect, you will get file not found error. To avoid such issue, it is always recommended or as a best practice to write file operation using try catch block, so we can catch the exception. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.